It's the 1st of July. This is like my favorite yogurt in the moment. It's exhausting, but coming back, I was feeling so much pain. PSA, public service announcements. Pepe. Let me just you guys how to survive when it rains almost every day in Lagos. Good for you. Good morning, guys. Happy new month. The 1st of July. It's the 1st of July. Let's get the day started. Let me show you guys how to survive when it rains almost every day in Lagos. Whew. Guys, if you live in Nigeria, you know already that it rains every single day, ongoing, it never stops, up to back. These clothes have been out for more than a week and they're still not fully dry. I wonder how 9 to 5ers do it. Can't cope with that. I'm just going to bring them in when they're almost dried and spread them around my bed. I hope it doesn't give my bed a damp smell. Oh, so I'm thinking, since it's the beginning of July, why don't we do a comeback to the gym? Because the whole of June missed me at the gym. I want to go against all odds today. But first, let's do a happy down. Easy to like, do you know what it means to get to the Q3 of the year? It's Q3, baby. It's Q. Yeah, I'm excited about this Q3. You think I was born in July? No, baby. No, I have to resume the gym this month. Inshallah. By God's grace, we are doing that. So we made it to the month of July. If that's an easy feat for you, good for you. It's not an easy feat over here. We are grateful. So we're going to express that gratefulness by going to the gym. Okay? Okay. Let me just you guys. So I was on my way back from the gym. I entered into a tricycle, keke. I entered into a keke. The keke was about moving. But one guy stopped the keke. I was like, oh, stop, stop, stop. I couldn't really hear exactly what he was saying because I was on my AirPod. He was like, babe, how are you? I'm like, I don't know you from Adams. Guy. So I didn't say that. I was just like looking at him like, in my mind, I was like, men love attention so much. They'll give you that attention when you don't want it. Emphasis on when you don't want it, because God, when you want it, it will be like pear or what other fruit is very rare or very expensive, even though it's not rare. It will be like sweet strawberry. You won't find it. You know, if you find them. You know, if you find them. In the words of Darlington, something. I was looking at this guy like, are you okay? By the way, so I'm so happy that we got back to the gym. We got back to the gym. Moon work. We got back to the gym. I'm so excited. All right. On a more serious note, do you know what I decided to start doing from now on to help my goals, to help me show up in the things that I need to show up in the way that I need to show up? I decided that every time I get back from the gym, I'm going to put together my gym outfit for the next day, with my shoes down to my socks, down to my headset, then down to every tiny little detail, so that I know that it's sorted. I don't have to stress about it the next day, which is tomorrow. God help me. My God, I know that one day I'm going to be like that girl that says, pay for my class, pay for my ebook, because I have this consistency thing on lock. Because who better will be in the position to show you how to show up for yourself every single time than someone that has tried and failed 1,000 times. I've tried and failed several times. I can't even lie to you guys. It's exhausting, but I keep coming back. You guys know that I resumed the gym for the year in April. April, May, I was consistent at the gym. June, I took a whole month off, and I'm back in July. Guys, we're going to do a recap on this by the end of the year. I don't want to talk too much. Got this from the shop on my way back. This is like my favorite yogurt in the moment. And I got this too. You know, if you're a gym girly, a gym guy, you know, oats is your friend. Oats is your friend. And then all of the stuff that I will not be mentioned in this video because it's not about what you should eat. So yeah. He said, follow my voice. Hey, hey, hey. Take my bed.
Longer than a few minutes later.
He calls my name.
Many unbearable hours later.
Oh my god, guys, this song made me cry. Yes, some days back. This song made me shed tears, hot tears, because I was thinking about like I was going through something and I was feeling so much pain. So I stumbled on this song and it made me cry. PSA, public service announcements. Okay, so I'm actually sorting out pepper. I don't have like this light is not bright enough.